Umphathiswa kwi-ofisi yobungameli uMnumzana Jackson Mthembu uthi umongameli weli uMnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa uza kuthetha nesizwe emva kwenhlakaniso nebhunga likazwelonke neliqubisana nentsholongwane ye-corona kule veki izayo.
President Ramaphosa will brief the nation on the developments in South Africa as it relates to our management of the COVID-19 and the mitigation measures we have put in place to save lives and protect livelihoods. So indeed, the President will speak to us as a nation next week on these matters.
Ukanti cabinet ithi xhalabile ngabanye babemi beli abangayithobeli imiqathango yokulwa intsholongwane ye-corona.
Cabinet is concerned that some people are behaving recklessly and irresponsibly as if COVID-19 no longer exists. Cabinet calls on all people in South Africa to continue adhering to the health protocols of practicing social distancing, wearing masks all the time when in public, and washing our hands with water and soap or an alcohol-based sanitizer. And of course, once again, we say we must avoid large gatherings because that's where infections happen.
Mnumzana Mthembu uthi umongameli Ramaphosa uza kusingatha inkomfa yabatyali izimali kule nyanga ukukhawulelana nolwamvilo lwe-COVID-19 kuqoqosho lweli.